Kisan TV. Hi guys, now we are going to learn a new topic called lifespans of animals. Gorilla. Gorilla survives without water is 2.5 weeks. Its lifespan is 40 years. Tiger. Tiger survives without water is 3 days and its lifespan is 10 years. The next is zebra. Zebra survives without water is 5 days. Its lifespan is 25 years. Bear. Bear survives without water is 7.5 months. Wow, amazing. Its lifespan is 20 years. Giraffe. Giraffe survives without water is 3 weeks and its lifespan is 25 years. Cheetah. Cheetah survives without water is 10 days. Its lifespan is 15 years. Lion. It survives without water is 4 days and its lifespan is 15 years. Fox. Fox survives without water is 5 years. Its lifespan is 5 years. Horse. Horse survives without water is 4 days and its lifespan is 30 years. Elephant. Elephant survives without water is 4 days and its lifespan is it's 70 years. And the next is kangaroo. Kangaroo survives without water is 1 month and its lifespan is 20 years. Wow, amazing. Deer. Deer survives without water is 1 day and its lifespan is 14 years. Camel. Camel survives without water is 2 weeks and its lifespan is amazing, it's 50 years. Dog. Dog survives without water is 3 days and its lifespan is 11 years. Cat. Cat survives without water is 3 days and its lifespan is 14 years. Pig. A pig lives without only water is 36 hours and its lifespan is 17 years. A duck. Duck survives without water is 8 hours and its lifespan is 8 years. Cow. A cow survives without water is 1 week and its lifespan is 20 years. Rabbit. A rabbit survives without a water is 1 day and its lifespan is 10 years. A goat. Goat survives without water is 5 days and its lifespan is 17 years. Donkey. Donkey survives without water is 3 days and its lifespan is amazing, 40 years. Honeypotent. Honeypotent survives without water for 2.5 months and its lifespan is 8 years. Rat. Rat survives without water is 3.5 years and its lifespan is 3.5 years. Squirrel. Squirrel survives without water is 2.5 years and its lifespan is 2.5 years. Koala. Koala survives without water is 15 years and its lifespan is 15 years. Crocodile. Crocodile survives without water is 2 years and its lifespan is amazing, 100 years. And the next is frog. Frog survives without water is 10 months and its lifespan is 6 years. Snake. Snake survive without water is 6 months. Lifespan is 3.5 years. Hummingbird. Hummingbird survive without water is 5 hours and its lifespan is 5 years. Gecko. Gecko survive without water is 3 days and its lifespan is 15 years. Turtle. Turtle survive without water is 4 days and its lifespan is 30 years. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe your Kids Learn TV channel.
जी बच्चों, उम्मीद है आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी और इससे बेहतरीन मैसेज भी मिला होगा। अगर ऐसा है तो कमेंट्स में लिख कर हमें बताएं और हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि इसी तरह की वीडियो आपको मिलती रहे। जज़ाकल्लाह।